Gabrielle, and today we're meeting so she can help me plan my themewear for WBFF. Gabby is a model herself, and she also has some serious designing skills, so I have zero of those skills. That's why we're meeting today. And getting some coffee at my favorite shop here in Boise.
Yeah, so we have all of these right here for you.
I'm a little addicted. It's kind of embarrassing. Someone's too.
Yeah, so I work at like hopefully like pick out fabrics sometime in like May or June, and then my mom has a sewing machine, so I'll probably sew it in July when I go visit her, and then that way whenever you get the other stuff, the fabric part pretty much ready. I'm assuming that it would definitely take away from like you. Like your whole back would be covered, right? And then we'll have to see how the bikini like connects in the back, because I'm assuming that we'll probably want the back of the fabric to like connect to the so it's not like dragging on the ground.
Okay.
But I'll look at a couple of things to see if there's different ways to do it.
Okay, and
but that would be like the smallest little.
Like that's my best like feature. Like my back really comes out.
Just the bikini part of a full coverage one that has more of the colors from the other one.
Okay.
And then that way you could maybe send it to whoever for reference and just be like, hey, this is sort of what I'm looking for.
Right. All we need to cover today. A couple months. She's gonna pick out some fabrics, and yeah, we're working on some edits, and I'm super excited to see what she comes up with next. Cheers.